Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your shipping address with Walmart step by step clearly. To reset your shipping address with Walmart, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Walmart homepage by typing www.walmart.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the account icon in the top right corner. Click on the account icon to access your account details. If prompted, enter your login credentials, including your email address and password. After logging in, navigate to the account menu. Look for the Your Account section and click on it. In the Your Account section, find and select Addresses. Here, you will see your current shipping addresses listed. To edit an existing address, click on the Edit button next to the address you want to change. Make the necessary changes to the shipping address fields. If you want to add a new shipping address instead, click on the Add Address button. Fill out all required fields for your new shipping address. Once you have entered the new address, click the Save button to confirm the changes. You should see a confirmation message that your address has been updated. To ensure everything is correct, review your updated address list. If needed, you can also set a default address by selecting Set as Default next to your chosen address. You are now ready to use your updated shipping address for future orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.